Okay, so whenever you want to use the Zoom app, so it's quite easy. So first you have to have downloaded the Zoom, okay? So you have to have downloaded the Zoom app. So this is mine. Where is mine? Just search for it. So this is mine. So you can go to your Play Store or your App Store to download it. Then after downloading it, then you click on it like this. So it would open. So to tell you this, welcome. Get started with your account. Do you want to join a meeting, sign up, or you sign in? So when you want to join a meeting, that is, they will send a link to you. So when the person sends the link, then you can use that to join. But as a tutor, as someone who wants to create a meeting yourself, so a live class is called a meeting. Like you want to do a class now, you want to send a link to people to join, then that's what they call a meeting. So you have to just sign in, okay, with your email. Just click on, if you don't have, so far you have an email, then automatically you can sign in, okay? So just sign in, and you sign in with what? Is it continue with your Google or your Facebook? So I prefer you continue with your Google account, okay? So like this. So far you have an account. So these are my accounts. I want to just use these. So you can sign in with your Google account, and that will be direct. So it's connecting. Good. So okay, enable notification, allow. So okay, not now. You're ready to go. Yes, get started. Okay, so this is how it would be after you've signed in with your Google account. So then to create a meeting, you click on what? New meeting. Hope you get that. New meeting. To join, you want to join a meeting now, you click on join. And you can schedule a meeting. You can schedule a meeting that, okay, by 8 a.m. tomorrow, you want to join a meeting, you can schedule it, and you can share your screen. Okay, so let's create a new meeting. Just click on create new meeting. Create. So is it a video call? If it's a video call, this one will be on. If it's not, you off it. Okay, and this will be your, do you want to use your personal meeting ID or not? So you don't need to use that, and you may use that. There's no issue with that. Then you start a meeting. So we started the meeting now. Do you want to join? Yes, you join. So I think most times when one is using Zoom, one may not be able to record one's audio. Okay. So, but you can just be looking at what I'm navigating in case of that. In case of that. So, okay, I think the audio hasn't started yet. So, to on your video, you click here, okay? And to join audio, my audio is not activated yet. So you can click here. So I hope that it would, as I'm recording my screen, it would pick up like that. And any chat, maybe someone started a chat, you see it here. And let's say you want to share your link, your Google link, just swipe like this under more. So then click on more settings. Okay, no, not there. So here you can change your name and like that. So let's click on, okay, under this participant, just click under the participant. So do you see that this is me? Then under you see invite here, click on invite. So just copy link underneath. You see copy link underneath. So just copy invite link. As you've copied your invite link, you can just go to Facebook. So then you just paste it there. Hope you get that. So like this. So just send it to anyone. Anyone who clicks on the link will be able to join. Hope you get that. Now, so that's that. Let's close this. And you can share your screen. You can share your screen while you are that people will be seeing what you are navigating on your phone. So you just click on share here. And what do you want to share? So this screen, you can share your camera, you can share whiteboard, and so on and so forth. But you can share just click on screen. So yes, while using the app, you allow it. So just find Zoom over there. So this is Zoom. Just activate it, then you back. So that's that about how to share your screen and chat. Let's say in a meeting, want people to ask questions, they will use this chat. Okay, you see, send to everyone. Everyone will be able to see what you are sending. And whiteboard, you can use whiteboard and like that. Hope you get that. So let's end. And when you want to end the call, you just end the call like this. So end. So do you want to leave or you want to end it for all? So far you are the organizer, so you should just end. So then you back it. You can join a meeting, but most times people just send link to you, and when you click on the link, automatically you join. But if they can give you meeting ID, its number. You just type in the meeting ID and you join. Okay. So you can schedule a meeting. Okay, which date? Today is 7. Today is 4 of July. You can schedule tomorrow, like that. Anytime you wish, you can schedule the meeting like that. Then you can share your screen as we said. Okay. So that's that. Those are the major things you need. Those are the major things you need. Bye for now.